Two corners of a rectangular sheet of paper were folded as shown. Find the sum of the following four angles: angle ASB, angle BQC, angle CPD, and angle DRA. So what we need to do is we need to find these two corners were folded, and we need to find the sum of these four angles. That's our goal. That's our problem. So go ahead, give this problem a shot, see if you can solve it. My solution will follow. So what I have here is the same shape as in our original problem, but I labeled a few things. Since we folded a rectangle, these angles are 90 degrees. This one is a 90-degree angle, this one is a 90-degree angle, this one is a 90-degree angle, and this one is a 90-degree angle. And our question wants us to find the sum of these four green angles: this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now, I am interested in this red octagon. This red shape is a polygon and it has 8 sides, so it's an octagon. It is an 8-sided polygon. And why am I interested in this polygon and not the whole shape? Well, because the four green angles are the four of the interior angles of this octagon. So this octagon has altogether 8 angles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now these two angles that I marked red are very interesting because this is right angle, so the red angle has to be 360 degrees. Minus 90. This red angle has to be 360 degrees minus 90, which is 270. What about this red angle, which is actually a reflex angle? This is the interior angle of my red octagon. I can find this as well. This is also 360 minus 90 is equal to 270. Now take a look at the red octagon once again. This octagon has 8 angles. 4 of the angles are green. I don't know what the sizes are. And I know the sizes of the remaining 4 angles. I know this is 90 degrees. I'm going to write it down here. 90. And this is also 90 because I folded a rectangle. Now, I know how to find the sum of the 8 angles of any octagon. So let's do it right here. Let's use green. Remember that formula? To find the sum of interior angles of any polygon, you can use the formula n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. We have 8 is the number of sides of our polygon, so n has to be 8. So this boils down to 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which turns out to be 6 times 180 degrees, which turns out to be, let me think, 600 for 80, so it's going to be 1080. So 1080 is the sum of the 8 angles of my polygon. Now I don't want to know that. I want to know the sum of these 4 green angles. So what I'm going to do here in blue, I'm going to take the sum of all 8 angles, which is 1080. Then from that, I'm going to subtract the 4 angles I know. I know one of the reflex angles is 270. The other one is also 270. And then I have two 90-degree angles, 90 plus 90. Close parenthesis. And I'm going to see what the sum is. Okay, 270 plus 270 plus 90 plus 90 turns out to be 720. Okay, almost there. And 1080 minus 720 turns out to be 360. So my answer is 360 degrees. The sum of the four green angles is equal to 360 degrees. That's my final answer.